Hi everyone! Happy Monday! It's Mrs. Mylan here. I'm so happy to see you and I hope that you had a wonderful weekend. It is a new week of distance learning and I have to tell you, you are all doing fantastic. Fantastic. Keep up the great work. I know it's different, but you guys are really adjusting well to change. And I'm really proud of how well you are working. Keep up the great work. I wanted to let you know that each day when you log in, there will be a video from me. And I will just be greeting you, saying good morning, and kind of telling you what's going to be happening today. In the future, there will be some assignments that I will ask you maybe to greet your classmates, and I'll show you how to do that next week. And sometimes I might have you share something. I also might showcase some of the great work that some of you have completed this week. So keep your eye out for that next week. Okay, today, this is going to be what you're going to do. The first thing I would like you to do is a morning check-in. Please tell me how you are feeling this morning. I know that some of these things in our world are a little crazy and it can be scary. And it's different not being in school. So it's important to me to know how you are feeling. And I will probably write you back. So please check back sometimes in your daily check-ins to see if I wrote you a comment back. After your check-in, I ask that you read for 20 minutes. So find a good book and cozy up somewhere and find a place to read. If you notice that in the bottom corner of the slide that has the reading is a timer. If you press that play button, it'll actually time you for 20 minutes. After you do that, you're going to watch a video. This video will teach you a little bit more about comparing and contrasting. After you've done that, you're going to be reading a story. One story is about the Three Little Pigs. The other story is a version of the Three Little Pigs, but it was written in England. So it's a different animal and a little bit different also in some ways, but it's also very similar. So after you have actually read that, you are going to complete a Venn diagram for me, telling me what those similarities and differences are. After you do that, you have a brain break, and I put in one of our favorites. Just you wait and see. For math, I ask that you please log into iReady and work on a lesson. There is a timer there for 20 minutes. You do not need to work farther than 20 minutes. Your goal is to try and complete at least one lesson. Then you're going to watch a video about comparing lengths. Sometimes we have things that are taller and we sometimes have things that are shorter than others. You're going to figure out this week about how do we figure out how much longer or how much shorter something is. Or what if I have two objects and I want to know how big they are together? That's what you're going to be working on this week. So the video will introduce that to you. And then you have an activity where I ask that you please interview your family, ask them how tall they are. If they don't know, you get to measure. And then you're going to draw a picture lining your family up from tallest to shortest. And then please label how tall each person is. If you don't have a ruler at home, please use something else to measure. Maybe how many crayons each person is, or pencils, or pieces of paper. Something along those lines. When you are finished, please have your families send a picture of your drawing to my email for me. And then the day is over. You have completed all of your assignments. Good luck, friends. I know that you don't need the luck because you're awesome without it. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.